The ink section was designed for you to add your ink information from your ink vendors. Everything in the program is based on selling values except for the two areas in the program, the ink and the stocks. You can manipulate our inks we've put in the system, or you can create your own ink by clicking on the New button in the top left-hand toolbar. To use one of ours, double-click on the type of ink you'd like to use to adjust the ink. This should open up your ink details. In here you can adjust your information for description, cost per pound, uncoated and coated coverage per square inches, your adjustment or markup, mixing charges, wash-up chart adjustment, default ink coverage. Here's a toggle where you can toggle between black and color, as well as you'd want to list here whether it's an active ink or if it would require a wash-up. Once you've got your information through here, hit the OK button to save to the list. Next section that we'd have after our ink would be our ink groups. The ink groups is a section that we've made for you to add the different kinds of ink combinations you can do for jobs. We've simplified things in our list to show you generic names for ink combinations. You can put your actual ink names on estimates when creating an estimate. See creating estimates for more details. To create a new ink group, select the New button from the top left-hand corner of the Adjustments window. This will open up your ink groups window. First thing you'd want to do in this list is type in the name of the actual description for the ink. In this case, we're going to do a 1/1, color on the front side, black on the back. From here, what we'd want to do here is also reflect our front images and our back images to reflect the name here. So we would need to have a color onto the front. So we'd have our standard color as the front and a black as the back, so it matches our 1/1 color on the front, black on the back. Once you're finished here, select the OK button to save your new ink group. This would conclude the ink section.